Alright you guys, welcome to part 2 of me rebuilding my beast. Last part I put a poop ton of grease inside this diff, and now it turns and does everything like a boss. And it has a lot of grease in it, like a lot. I don't think there's any air room in there. Don't know if that's a good thing. I hope it is. But we are surely gonna find out. I have to clean up this desk so bad. I mean, there's just grease everywhere on this thing. Oh. It's good though. Grease is good. Grease is good for stuff like this. Alright. Here we go. Let's spin. Oh no. Let's have spin. Nope, she spins. That's really rough though. Hopefully the truck will like this. Probably won't, but... Wow. Well, hopefully it'll get broken in and we'll just see if I'm taking it apart again or not. Alright, so... razor blade can go up here again. Clean that off. This is... I'll keep it, just in case there's anything else in there. Alright, so... got this gear done. Where are the rest of them? My garage is all over the place. These ones I don't think I have to clean, I just gotta add a lot of grease to it. So let's get started with that. Yeah, I'm doing this much again. Bad ideas are happening. Alright, that's a little much, but we're just gonna do it because this is for YouTube. Oh yes. I'm actually really curious of how... Wow, that's a lot of grease. Okay. I'm kind of curious on how this is going to run myself. I think it's going to run good. Oh. Yeah, that's called pure grease power. Wow. I can like barely move my fingers. I can move my fingers, they're just so sticky. Oh good, I got grease on my grease gun. It's actually a good thing. Alright. Come on. Go this way better? Man, that is just a lot right now. It's overwhelming. Let me get some of this grease out because we need some black grease to equalize the blue. Oh no, I think I might be out of grease. It looked like I had a lot in there. I think it lied to me. Alright, let me get some paper towels. And we're going to open up some of that stuff again. Because I got a few packs left. I think after this one, I only have one more left after this one. So I don't know. You gotta be able to buy this stuff. I might buy some. Seems to be pretty awesome. Alright. Oh, it's coming out. Oh dear. Oh man. Let's get it all in here. Don't care how. Yeah, leak into all your little areas. That sound weird? I don't know. You guys are gonna have to let me know if this is bad, because I have a feeling it will be, but it's all for the fun. Oh man, it's just like squirting out of every area right now. Alright, this is gonna run super good. Like, if it doesn't run good, there's something wrong with it. Where's the rag? Is this the rag I just got? Wow. There's a lot of rags. Okay. I guess I'll clean this up now. Man. You know what? If this works good, I highly recommend it. Just jam your car with grease. It'll run forever. So that is definitely not the easiest, but I think once I get this thing up to 40 miles an hour, I think that'll go away. So I'm just gonna guess you guys don't want to watch me put it back together, so I'm just gonna stop the camera, put it back together, and then I'm gonna bring it outside and hopefully drive it. So this was probably really boring for you guys because you guys have already seen this, but if it wasn't, that's great, because I love doing this. So I'll be back probably in 20 minutes, half an hour, and we'll be driving it hopefully. Alright you guys, so I actually took a break and went to church, but I have everything on this thing except for this cover for the back here. I did check and it does work, so I'm just gonna bring it for a little test drive. Is it dripping? I think I put that much. One thing I don't recommend, and I know you guys can't see it, you might be able to. You guys might not be able to see that. No, it doesn't look like it, but down here there's actually grease that shot out, so I don't recommend putting as much as I did in there, but I think once I start getting it moved around in there, I think it'll be okay. So yeah, I'm gonna set the camera up outside, and it's pretty dark, so if you guys can see, that's good. So let's just take her out and see what she does. Alright guys, let's give this a shot. I think you might be able to see a little bit of it. Alright. She's a little weak, but it works. I gotta get I think this battery should be full. I don't know if I have that gear a little bit tight, because usually it's a little bit more torquey than this. I think it's getting more power. Just gotta get all that grease moved around in there. See the thing. Getting more power now. Yeah, it's pretty loud. I wonder if I need to loosen it a little bit or something. Where is it? There it is. Brakes work. This is good to get all that grease moving around in there. Sorry you guys can't see it that well, but it's the best I can do. Oh, gotta get her a little wet. Oh, that's a lot more torque in there now. Whoa. This thing's sliding now. Gonna pull a wheelie? Can't pull a wheelie yet. I guess it's still struggling a little bit. Oh, there she goes. She's got her power back. Alright guys, I would call that, oops, it is. I call that a good. Now, what I did, I do not recommend. Is this thing going straight? There it is. What I did, I don't recommend, because I put too much grease in there. If you do put that much grease in there, make sure you run the thing, because some of that grease is going to shoot out and get lubricated and get worn out. So I think there's some room in there, and it's getting more power now. It doesn't struggle as much. Yeah, it pulls wheelies now. Uh-oh, did I? Hopefully I didn't lose a pin. I only put 2 pins in. So yeah, I think it works good now. It seems like it works good, so let's take her back in the garage and just do a conclusion. Alright guys, so conclusion, I would recommend servicing your diff as it hasn't been serviced yet unless your truck's brand new. Do not put as much grease as I put in there. I don't recommend it at all. One thing I'm noticing, and I don't know if I did it or what, I think my remote's giant. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. But I'm noticing my steering servo is really slow. So I'm going to change the batteries in this remote and see what that switches. It's also making noise, so I wonder if I'm going to need a new servo. Maybe I can new video too. That sounds really bad. So, yeah, I don't know what that is. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, I know it's kind of long and boring, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and a comment below on the video. And I will see you guys in another video. Peace.